Hi, today I'm going to teach you how you can clear your RAM map in Windows 11 or Windows 10. Now, this feature is not something inherently available natively from the pre-packaged Windows, so you'll have to download an external map. It'll be called RAM map. Just click on the upper one here, Microsoft Blur. You just have to Google RAM map like this. Click on this, download RAM map here. Now you can see it'll download real fast. The program is quite small. Now let's just head over to our download folder here. I'm going to extract the RAM map here, show more options. I'm going to click on extract. So I'm going to go show more options, 7-zip, extract here. Now you can see there'll be a couple of app that'll appear, right? Just click on the RAM map exe or RAM map 64 exe. We're just going to do this one. Just click on yes. Click on agree. And then you can see right now, this is our app in RAM map, right? Now this shows the nitty-gritty and the data inside of your RAM. If you want to empty or if you want to delete the RAM cache, you have to go on the empty section here and then click on this empty standby list. The standby list is another word for a cache section in your RAM. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.